Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Always ask for a discount when buying jewelry. You will usually able to get a good one. Cats that fall from greater than 7 stories suffer fewer injuries than those who fall shorter distances. 92-year-old from Australia is the oldest man to father a child. Lions are the only truly social big cats. They lived in structured groups called prides, which can include up to 30 individuals, unlike other big cats that are mostly solitary. The Slate truck is a simple, affordable electric pickup made in the USA. It has no paint, no stereo, and no touchscreen. It cost around $27,500 before incentives and potentially under $20,000 after tax credits. The 7-arm octopus actually has 8 arms. One of them is just hiding. The males have a specially modified arm used to fertilize eggs, but it coils up in a sac beneath the eye and is often overlooked. Peanut allergies can drop by 77% if peanut products are introduced to babies' diets between 4 and 6 months old. People who hum or whistle constantly have stronger mood stability and are more resilient to anxiety. In Japan, it is law that advertisements accurately represent the product. Parsons Bakery in Bristol has given ownership to its 400 plus employees through a trust. This means workers now share in profits and help decide the company's future. In 1956, the famous canals of Venice, Italy were drained and cleaned for the first time in centuries. This massive undertaking is known as the People's Revolution. Vineyards protect their grape harvest from spring frost with small fires. This age-old technique is crucial for maintaining healthy crops during unexpected cold snaps. Mango contains more vitamin C than orange. A single mango can provide 122 mg of vitamin C, while a medium orange typically provides 60 to 83 mg. Russia is the only country in the world where it is daytime in one part and night time in another at the same time. The iconic plastic monoblock chair, mass-produced over a billion times, remains a mystery invention and is hailed as one of the world's most perfectly designed objects. This 2000-year-old Roman concrete pier is still standing strong in the Mediterranean. Scientists are only discovering why it's more durable than modern concrete. Group of high school students in Michigan volunteered to carry caskets for homeless veterans who had no family to honor them. Goosebumps are a leftover survival trait. They were more useful when we had more body hair, helping us appear bigger or trap warmth. You fart about 14 times a day on average, even if you don't notice it. That adds up to about half a liter of gas daily. Lesotho is the only independent country in the world that sits entirely about 1000 meters in elevation. Your brain can survive 5 to 6 minutes without oxygen. After that, brain cells begin to die rapidly, which is why timing is so critical in emergencies. Recent study finds that 174% increase in leg strength can be achieved in just 8 weeks by focusing on resistance leg extensions. The gulper eel can inflate its mouth like a balloon. It has a massive jaw that can unhinge and expand to swallow prey much larger than itself even without teeth. In 1991, researchers at Cambridge rigged a camera to monitor their coffee pot. By 1993, it became the world's first webcam. The trill shark is a living fossil. It looks like a mix between an eel and a shark and has barely changed in over 8 million years with a mouth full of 300 needle like teeth. Sick of getting sand stuck to your feet at the beach? Pack some baby powder next time. It will get all the sand off in seconds. Despite having surgery to correct his nearsightedness, NBA legend Horace Giant kept wearing his goggles on his coat for the kids who wore glasses and needed someone to look up to. That's what legacy looks like. You should know that there is nothing wrong with talking about salary to your coworkers. In fact, it is a federally protected action that can not be a fireable offense. Even though whales are the biggest animals on earth, their throats are only about 4 to 8 inches wide. This means they can only swallow small things like krill and tiny fish. They can't eat anything bigger than a grapefruit. Dull knives, you can easily sharpen them with a ceramic bowl by rubbing the blade up and down on the bowl's ceramic ring. Mobile Cave in Romania has been selected from the outside world for over 5.5 million years. Inside, life does not rely on sunlight but on chemicals in the earth. Tiny organisms use these chemicals to create energy. Dark psychology tricks used by Thomas Shelby. Don't let people interrupt you when speaking. The death stare. Shoulders loose, back straight, chin slightly down, calm on the surface, storm underneath. The visible thumbs. Thanks for watching.